Hello, my name is Satej Prabhughate. I am a student at the National Law School of India, University, Bangalore. I was ranked All India rank 108 in CLAT 2023, and I was with Career Launcher for the 2-year online spam program. I must say that the program, encompassing everything from the mocks to the online lectures to the mock analyses, really played a paramount role in my preparation and result. It inculcated a sense of discipline and intellectual rigor when it came to revision and learning new things. Moreover, it also gave me something to look up to every time a mock result came by and helped me get through difficult phases where I wasn't able to score that well. Besides all of that, I must say that the faculty was really helpful even when it came to one-to-one doubt sessions, when it came to alterations that I needed to make in my strategy, places where I was going wrong, things that could be done better. The faculty was extremely helpful in guiding me with their respective subjects. Apart from that, I would just really like to thank Career Launcher for all of the help and support that was extended in my CLAT preparation. Thank you very much.